Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to add a menu on WordPress. So very quickly, what we want to do here is go to Visit Site. From here, you're going to want to click on Edit Site. And now, just head over here to Navigation. And that's it. So technically, you already do have a menu drop down. So this is the navigation menu. So whatever page list is listed here, it's already here. So for example, here in this sample website that we have, it has the about section. So it shows here the about section. Now, if you want to add more on this, then you need to just edit the page list. So meaning you have to add more pages to it. For example, here, you need to create more pages, and the more pages you create, the more menus or the more items there will be on the menu button. Apart from that, you can also edit this. If, for example, you have multiple navigations here, you can move it down, move it up, or go to about. Or you can remove about as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.